happy Sunday. We're gonna do a meal prep quick, because we wanna relax and do other things. So I'm gonna cut up chicken tenderloin into mini little chicken bites. Because when I eat pasta, I don't want chunks. I wanna be able to chew my food faster. So you guys can do it any size. You guys can do any chicken. This is just what we had in the fridge. I'm just using everything that we had. I didn't go to the store or anything. But if you guys do want to do that, you guys could. Right now we have the noodles in the water. I'm kind of weird. I like my chicken like very small. It also cooks quicker, but to me it tastes better. I just don't like having to choose a huge chicken like little ball things. I want them to be smaller and just like small that I just like eat. And it also cooks faster. So I'm just gonna go through these real quick. How was your guys' Sunday? We're making an Alfredo chicken pasta the quick way. Not anything too fancy, but still super delicious. A couple ingredients. I think there's like maybe 5 ingredients, I would say. Right now I have the door open because it was so hot and we have the windows open, but now I think I probably should close the door 1 second while we cook because it's gonna get flies. And then at nighttime it gets mosquitoes. Okay. Quickly just cut these up. Squishy, squishy. Super squishy chicken. Do you guys like chicken in your Alfredo? I'm switching it up this week. I've been doing tuna a lot. But chicken's good too. It's lean, so it's easier to digest. I don't need to do too much to the chicken because the sauce is gonna be in it, mixed within it. We'll just add some salt, pepper, garlic powder. Something easy, quick. I don't know where Chloe went. She was laying with me earlier and then I lost her. She left the room. We have also onion and garlic as well, pre-cut, pre-done. I already did earlier. And we are done. Let me just go through and see any bigger pieces that I might have missed in the chicken. Squishy. It's like little like worms. Chubby worms. Okay. There's this one. Looks good. I already washed and dried the chicken, so this is ready to go. Now we're gonna do a bowl. And we're gonna add all the seasonings in it. This will probably be too much chicken, but I'm gonna use it for other food throughout the week. Because we're gonna make rice and we have also broccoli there, so I'll make more food throughout the week, so it's good to do more than less, and I can put how much chicken I want in the pasta from there. But for now, I'll do this, wash my hands. I think the pasta should be done. I'm gonna check it real quick. I'll bring you guys over there. Let's see. Little bit, like 3 minutes maybe. Almost there. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of seasoning on this. Also, so if I don't use all the chicken, it has something in it, and then I can make a sauce or something later. So we're gonna do, for sure, garlic powder. And then we'll do just salt and pepper. And I'll do a little bit of olive oil too. So I'm just putting it in. I'm just eyeing it. You can always put more later too. You can also measure this out too if you want. I'm gonna use my hand to mix it up right now. I don't always like too much pepper. And then I love garlic, it tastes so good. This will just give like a hint. Kind of a lot of chicken, so let's do a little bit more. Okay. Should be good. And now we're gonna use our hands to mix it. And I can always add more after filling it out and looking at the colors. I'm just mixing. I'm gonna add more salt. Cute little jars, little mason jar cuteness. Look at it. Like so. And then let's do some garlic too. Garlic's gonna be good. And also remember the pasta sauce is gonna mask it, but still, we still want to have the flavor of like the garlic in there a little bit. And because garlic's delicious. It's almost like you have like croissants in like a salad, or like you have the bread in an Italian place with the butter before you eat your meal. So I feel like the garlic just like adds to the pasta, it gives it something. Okay, we're gonna cook the chicken. Turn on the heat. Let's do medium heat. Just quickly cook the chicken. I'm gonna put it right there. Put some, oh, we're almost out, guys. Olive oil. You could also put it in the chicken, actually. You could do both. And then rub the olive oil in the chicken too, but sometimes it's just easier just to put it on here. Okay, 2 tablespoons on there. I just drizzled a little bit in here so all the chicken gets coated with the oil. Okay. Actually, let's let it be warm a little bit. Remind me to do it in parts because this is maybe a little too much chicken, but it's okay. I'm going to eat it for the rest of the week. So there might be not enough space to have the chicken on here, so we might do it in 2 sessions. Let's see the pasta, if it is. Oh, it's getting looser, yes. It's pretty much done. Maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty much done now. And then this is getting hot. Put the chicken in. We pretty much are just cooking each thing individually so that we can put it all together and then make the sauce with it all together. Because if you cook everything together, it's not going to work that way. So we have to do it separately. Yeah, we're going to need to do a separate cooking for this chicken. That's okay. It was expected. Just making sure that all the chickens are laid out flat. Okay. And now we wait. We can turn it up just a teeny bit more. Don't want to burn it, but we still want to cook nice. Maybe it was actually good where it was at. Right here. You can always look at the little fire part right here and you see, and also you can hear the food. What's cool about cooking is you can just change up everything at any moment. It's not like baking, where baking you have to have it perfect or you're gonna do it all wrong. With cooking, you can always adjust. If you hear it's going super, super loud, it means it's starting to cook really fast with the oil. So you can turn it down so that it doesn't burn. You know, start to not be so loud. I'm gonna wash my hands really quickly. pan for the towels. It's starting to get white. We know that it's like actually cooking when it's like a little bit white. We see that the edges are getting like the There's a dog next door. Make sure it's not stuck to the bottom. The noodles are about done, I would say. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to let it sit for a second so I can flip this. You can use another tool. I like this tool because it like flips easier. But technically this is for like eggs. But for me it's like, I just like to use it to cook the chicken so that I can do the other side easier. Again, this chicken's gonna go in the pasta, so we didn't like overdo it too much. We just want that chicken little mini bites in the pasta. And probably not all of this is gonna go in the pasta, it might be too much. We'll eye it out. That's what's so cool about cooking, we can like just figure it out. And you can tell like, maybe I'll just put less chicken, it's like too overpowering to the noodles. And we can decide. I could have put more pepper. If you like the little black dots in there, then you could do more pepper. I don't know if I like, pepper is a little intense. I don't know if I like pepper too much. So I put less. But I put definitely more salt and garlic so you can't see the color of that, but you can see a little bit of pepper more. It does look prettier when there's black dots for sure. I'm just gonna put it like this. Use my hands. Flip the little chickens on the other side. If you see any that are like not flipped over, you can do that now because we want to get it cooked on the other side evenly. That's why I like to use a spatula because it makes it like in chunks a little bit easier. Little chickens. You're too cute. Little worms. Okay. Whew. Touch the oil. Careful with the oil. That's the hot part of this is going to be the oil sizzling. Okay. Now let's give it some time. I'll squish it a little bit. Oh, this one here needs flipping. This one too. And then I'll take the pasta out of this place. I'm going to turn it down because I'm going to leave it. We don't want it to burn, so we turn it low. Have your little thing ready. We're just going to dump it in. Oh, I need to open up the legs more because why it falls. One moment, let me double check it. Oh yeah, we're good. We're just gonna dump the pasta. And then I just put cold water on it. You don't have to, but put cold water just so it stops cooking. See how it's like hot? You wanna like cool down the heat. It's so hot. The noodles need to and flip them over. Okay, now we're gonna add this just mix. We're probably gonna need more, but just warm this up together. It's so big. This pan is like huge right now. I've never used such a big pan. So it's cooked. Amazing. And easier to clean up later. I'm gonna move some of these. The spoon. I think that's a good amount of chicken, so I can still reach my protein that I need. Plus, I like it more saucy. It is all covered through right now, but I do like it more saucy. You can use any brand of that. That was just a Costco one my mom got. It is the bees. You guys can skip this if you guys are trying to stay away from dairy. It should be good how it is. I'm gonna work on with the prep. So I'm gonna take this. Ooh, it's heavy. But I can grab this side. That's cool. And bring it over here. I'm gonna clean up this area, put this away. And then we're gonna put the rest of the Alfredo back into the fridge for another day for another use. Also the cheese. And then this actually I'll keep because I'm gonna cook the rest of the chicken right now. So leave the whole chicken and this together. Okay. Keep things perfect and organized. And then everything will be washed later. The trash can, we have Parmesan cheese to top it. Now we're just gonna transfer this into this and then I'll pick at it and meal prep throughout the week. You can also do little bowls or little square ones like per day, or just put it in here, whatever works best. And you have your meal that has high protein, carbs, everything for. So a salad, making sure you can make. Okay, I'm gonna just like, it's really heavy. This is probably why we don't always cook with this. It actually cooked properly, even with like the type of pan this is, it actually did cook. I think we have a second pair. Tongs, so this tong. It's a cute black one, because the pan is really heavy. Set this down on this here. Okay. Alfredo's one of my favorites. Just gonna spoon, adjust it. So we didn't have spinach. If you guys did have spinach, it's so delicious to add spinach to any pasta. Just look at our pasta, Alfredo, chicken Alfredo pasta. Quick and easy.